Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you guys how to force stop any apps in your iPhone device. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. There are a few simple ways which I will be guiding you. So let's start with the first one. The first one is to try restarting your phone. So for this, what you have to do is tap on the volume up button, then quickly tap on the volume down button. Now, along with both the volume keys, tap on the lock button 2, 3 at once until and unless your screen turns completely blank. Then after some time, just switch your phone on. Now the second solution for this is try refreshing your apps. For this, what you have to do is from the center of your screen, slightly swipe upwards, and there you will see numerous opened apps pages. So to refresh this, all you have to do is keep swiping upwards until and unless there are no pages left behind. Now the third and foremost solution is to try reinstalling your app. And that's it. This is how you force stop your app and iPhone devices. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.